Hi guys, my name is Trinity. I'm originally from Ecuador, but my father is from Prague, so I'm half Ecuadorian and half Czech. That means that I'm gonna be doing videos from all around the world and videos especially from Prague, from my amazing country. And I hope you enjoy it. Bye! Hello guys, so today we're going to go to the little Hanoi, which is in SAPA, and we are in Prague actually. Actually, we're in Czech Republic, Prague, and this is a little place where all the Asian people, but most of it, 95% of them are Vietnamese. So let's go to this amazing place. So guys, actually they sell all type of stuff here. Not only food, they sell from Christmas trees, from Vietnamese food, Japanese, mochi, anything. All the foods that you will not find in a convenience store. Like, you cannot find this in Czech Republic. Like, look at these hats. They're originally from Vietnam. And this is some kimchi. So you can find anything here that you might think. Anything that you can buy in Asia, you can buy here. So guys, now we're going to one dessert which is typical here from Vietnam. So let's go guys. So guys, here we are going to choose one of these. So I think I would like to try one of these. So I think I will get this one, or one that has beans in it. Tak, now we will speak in Czech. Tak jo, můžu prosím vás tady tohle? Jo, prosím. Tady? Jo, tady. So now we're going to do 3 questions about your really nice dessert. So first, what's your first seller?
Best seller?
Yes, best seller.
Special mix.
Wow, special mix, really nice.
To je fazole, kokos, mungo, taro.
Okay.
Máme tady.
Oh, so this is, it contains mango, I think, yes, mango,
Mungo. Ano, mungo fazole.
Mungo fazone, okay, this is tapioca, I think, what's this green thing?
To je zelenina.
Then this is the fruit, it's zelena rýže, it's this part, and this is the, you know guys how we say this in Spanish, right? Granadilla, this part, the red part.
Second question.
So, how do you prepare this?
Jak to připravujete? Tamhle.
Okay, so here we have all the things they use. They use jelly. They use a lot of zele. Oh, jelly. Yes, jelly. So yeah, that's it. Well, and the third question is that how many you sell per day?
A lot. hodně.
Well, thank you. So if you guys want to come try this really nice dessert, it's here in SAPA. So guys, we have here our super dessert, and this is one of the desserts we're gonna be trying. So it's supposed to have beans. So it has like jelly, tapioca, beans, and let me see all the... Yeah, it's che thai meat duck. So now I will put this super rice milk. Let's try it. So I want to get, of course, we want... Oh my god, please, baby, I'm gonna give you some, but you have to wait. So. That's good. That's actually... Sorry. That's actually better than bubble tea. Honestly, it's really nice.
How would you rate it? Out of 10.
So I think I will rate it. Please, okay. So I think I will rate it 9 out of 10.
Why?
I think I will give it a minus point. I don't know, because like I was expecting it to be bigger, but it's a little small for me. So that's. But the flavor, 10 out of 10. So recommended. Now let's go to the next stuff we're gonna make, and then maybe we'll do more desserts. So let's go. So guys, now we're going to a really fancy restaurant here, and we're going to show you guys what are the best sellers. Let's see if there is a yes.
Dobrý den, co tady nejvíc jako jde, co se tady nejvíc prodává, jaký jídlo?
Tady jedno bolepí, jo.
Víčo? Polevka, hovo.
Hovězí, kuřecí.
Hovězí, kuřecí, hovo. Děkujeme.
Okay.
Dobrý den.
What's your best seller?
What is our best seller?
Yes.
I would say this one. It's caramel.
Ah,
Wow.
caramelized pork, nice.
Okay.
It's pig seven. It's
Oh.
our best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I think that's it. Guys, here they sell everything. Look, they even sell this giant labubu, which is obviously, you know, guys, what it is. But yes, and they sell a lot of really nice toys here. From the new movie, they sell the K-pop Demon Hunters, and you guys know what this is. So guys, this is the most place where they sell a lot of things. They sell kuromi, they sell cinnamon, you know, all the stuff. They sell labubu, everything here, Christmas stuff, and everything. So now we're going to go there, which they also sell a lot of clothes and a lot of stuff. So here they have My Melody, kuromi, K-pop Demon Hunters. I think this is really cool because it's my favorite movie. Oh, they even have blind boxes. That's really cool. Oh, I think I want this, but okay, guys, let's not get distracted. So here they have sweaters, clothes, everything, jackets. Let's speed this up a little. So guys, look, they also sell labubus here. Oh, look, guys, this is really cute. Oh, I think I want this one. Look, it's a labubu. It's like the rainbow one. Wait, this is. Oh, guys, this is Judy from Zootopia. Look, it's like. So there's the new Zootopia collection. And look, there's a lot of nice labubus here. So guys, now we're going to go here. In a shop where they have everything, we're gonna do something really quick. Okay guys, so let's go quickly. So here they have Christmas stuff. Do a quick tour, right? Like, yeah, they have stuff here. Like, one of the most things I like is like, number will be 6, 7. You know what 6, 7? Yeah. Guys, look at this. This is like really mushy, like a fish. forget that I told you to wait till the end because we're gonna be unboxing something really nice. Let's go! So guys, now we're going to buy one Zootopia, and I gotta choose wisely because you guys, I really want Judy or this one, but I definitely not want this one. So let's get this one. I have a feeling that maybe this is gonna be the lucky one. So yeah, 500. So guys, now we're going to do the unboxing. So I really want this one, this one, this one, this one. Oh yes. So yeah, this one, this one, this one, or this one, not this one, not. So please cross fingers. What's this? Okay. Okay, now the identification card. Let's see what I get. Oh, I got this one! This is so cute!
Which one is?
I got this one!
Oh.
Yeah, this is so cute! Cute, it's Zootopia. Yes. Let's go. Bye! Like and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this of Prague or around the world. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!